How to recycling the Bale PP film or PP woven bags. This VH series single shaft shredder machine is a good solution for rolls of plastic film, Bale bags, etc. With good shaft structure design ensures stable running. The rolls of PP film or Bale PP woven bags can be put into the shredder machine directly. Unique hydraulic pushing system with coupling connection will pushing the plastic material towards the shaft for size reduction. The concave square rotary blades are mounted in the groove zone. The rotor enables the reduction of cutting gap between them. Ensure high flow rate, low power consumption, and maximum output. Material after shredding will fall off from the screen mesh underneath. The screen mesh is made by 10mm thick carbon steel for durable use. The screen hole diameter can also be customized according to your material actual situation and final size requirement. The machine controlled by Siemens PLC system, it will automatically reverse to protect the machine against overload and jamming. Material after shredding is loaded out by conveyor belt for collection. You can also add high-speed magnetic belt below the shredder to remove off the irons, ferrous from material. The final plastic film can be further recycling by washing or pelletizing. We have different models with various capacity for your option. Kindly contact us for more details about this single shaft shredder if you have interest.